What's up, beauty bosses? Welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys for being here. I want to say thank you guys for liking, sharing, subscribing, and hitting the little bell so you do not miss any updates. So as you guys can tell from my last video, I found something that suits me. Now, this is not a wig, but this install is actually from Tinashe Hair. They gifted me with this hair and I absolutely love it, but I'm going to do a review on it soon, from when I get it to the install to how it feels afterwards. So stay tuned for that. But this video is all about a new beauty product of the week. So again, guys, you know how I do. Give it a couple of weeks. I like to try some things. I do a lot of research. I'm always on a beauty website, a beauty magazine, a beauty vlog. Always looking to see what everybody's using, how everybody's tightening their skins, looking so youthful, and taking care of their eyes. So after doing a lot of research and testing it out myself, I wanted to share this beauty product with you. So this beauty product is the Estee Lauder Eye Patches. So this is actually called Advanced Night Repair. I'm going to give you guys the full name. Now, if you guys can kind of see, it is like a two-piece of an eye patch. It does come in two pairs. Don't worry. Don't think that you're just going to get one. There is two in there, and there is the serum. So Advanced Night Repair. I've heard a lot of good things about this line from Estee Lauder. I've heard a lot of good things about Estee Lauder, period. But this was something that I really wanted to try because I'm always looking to tighten and lighten these patches up under here. Like, our eyes are so sensitive, and growing up, like, I heard my mom say it, I heard my grandma say it, but I never really pay attention because when you're young, you think your eyes are just going to always be tight and in, and you will never have bags, whatever. But it seems like when you hit a certain age, if you are not taking care of your eyes and you are not drinking tons of water, these things will start to sag, they will start to get puffy, they will start to look really awful. And I don't really know what kind of repair you can do for that other than like Botox, of course, but that's something that you consistently have to get in your eyes. I just don't know how I feel about needles around my eyes. Like, anywhere else in my body, that's fine, but around my eyes, I just don't know. But so happy to find this. It is just like your typical eye mask. Only difference is here you have the serum underneath, and then you have the patch here. So you have to break the seal and drop these patches underneath and let them soak in here. And what you do is you let them soak and then you put them on your eyes like you would any other under eye patches. But the difference is you put this on at night and you can sleep in them, which is what I do. So you leave them on all night, which is good for those people who like to pick and like to move them around, or you're able to like fully let them lock in because you're on the go and you have to just peel them off like right when the 5 minutes says to peel them off. This is for you. You put them on and they stay on while you sleep. I've used these, like I said, for a few weeks now, and I definitely have noticed a difference when I wake up in the morning with my eyes. So I have like this whole routine of skincare, and I've noticed that with the eyes, I haven't had to do as much concealing or having to do as much like depuffing in the morning after I'm using this. I'm not sure what's in it, but it says it's a concentrated recovery eye mask, and it is the bomb. Like, it says once a week at night, but I've been using them like maybe 2 times a week. That's probably why I've gone through a whole box. And let me just say that one box only contains 4. It explains the once a week thing because you use a whole pack in a month. But I use them 2 times a week, just because, you know, when you're out, I do a lot of running around, a lot of traveling, a lot of networking, and sometimes my nights are pretty late. And I don't want to wake up in the morning and have a meeting and my eyes and my face look like I've been up all night. So this has definitely been a saving grace for me. I really enjoy them. I really love them. I'm actually from Sephora. One box is about $42. It is a little pricey, a little more pricey than the other eye masks that they have there. They're like $3 for one pack. But I will say that I see why, because I mean, it really works. Also, with this serum, serum, if you don't use it all, you can always apply it in the morning. So like, let's say you've soaked your eye patches and you have them on and you notice you have a little bit more, dab that on in the morning. After you wash your face and you're putting on your serums and your toners and your moisturizers, dab it on and carry it all day on your eyes. You can use this and put like your concealer and your makeup and stuff on, and it is just fine. It's just an additional moisturizer for your eyes. So I wanted to get on, share that with you guys, tell you guys how much I love it. Oh my gosh, eyes are pretty. I love it. So I just wanted to share it with you guys. It's another beauty product of the week. So let's chat about it. Have you guys used this? What are your favorite eye masks? What are your favorite eye care routines? What do you use on your eyes to keep them looking luscious and amazing, other than water? Because we all know that water is the secret ingredient to youth and a healthy, happy, youthful looking body. But what else do you guys use? Let's chat about it. You guys can follow me and talk to me over on social media. That's Asia Ray Cosmetics. Shoot me an email at asiaraycosmetics@gmail.com. And as always, I welcome you guys to drop comments down below. Talk to me. I talk back. Like I listen. I watch y'all comments. I hear y'all. I see y'all comments. I appreciate y'all comments. So don't stop dropping them. Keep dropping them below. And guys, I just thank you for watching this video. Thank you for following me along on my journey. I love you all, and I will talk to you later. Peace.